Now, today is wash day. I have this hair, I have this relaxed hair 2 weeks, and it is now time to shampoo. And I'm shampooing today, and I'm also going somewhere today. So I want to shampoo early. This is it. I must have all kind of stuff in my hair now because I was trimming some trees outside yesterday, so who knows what's in there. But this is the hair. 2 weeks and it's ready to shampoo. Before I shampoo my hair, I'm going to use African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Poo. It said helps minimize breakage for natural coils and curls, but I'm using it on my relaxed hair because I like how this thing works. I don't have a lot left. I have just this left. So I'm going to use it on my relaxed. I'm going to pre-poo my hair first. When I rinse off the pre-poo, I'm going to use this iron shampoo that I have, and then I'll shampoo my hair about 2 to 3 times. I'm showing you all of this because you have seen all the shampoos. After I come out from the shower, because I'm shampooing my hair in the shower. After I finish shampoo, because Secret works so well for me, I'm going to put that all in my scalp and massage it. After I do that, I am going to use my Sauce Leave-In Conditioner for my hair. And after that is all in my hair, I am going to use Shea Moisture Bonding Oil with Amala Oil. It's a lightweight strengthening oil. Moisturize 24-hour frizz control heat protectant. And I'm going to put this on the mid and ends of my hair. I have this for a while, but I haven't been using it much. To me, on my natural hair, it used to make it shed a little. I didn't like how it worked on my natural hair, but so far on my relaxed hair, it's doing good. So I'm going to use that on the ends and the mid of my hair. Once all of this is done, I let my hair air dry. This is air dry hair. I did not blow dry. I try to use the heat once a month on my hair, whether it's relaxed or keratin treated. So I'm doing the same thing. I just let it air dry, and this, like I said, this is air dry hair from the last time. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm showing you all these steps because I'm not gonna come back and show you each one, each one, each one. I have done many of these before, but the pre-poo is going to stay on my hair for half an hour. After I rinse it out, after I rinse this out and I shampoo, then I'll show you the other steps. Okay? I'm going to show you how I do the pre-poo. This is what it looks like. That's pre-poo. It's very light, but it works really good. I'm just putting it in my scalp. I have a mirror ahead of me, so I'm watching that. I'm using one hand. Just want to make sure it's in my scalp, and then I will just massage everything once I have everything where I need it. But I love to pre-poo my hair. I'm a lazy hair anything, whether my hair is natural, whether my hair has relaxer, whether my hair has keratin. I don't do a lot with my hair. My hair has been in this ponytail for 3 days. I take it out and I just take my hand and smooth it so it doesn't look frizzy, and then put back the scrunchie. I use the comb very, very rare. I use the comb 4 days out of the 4 days out of the week, that's a lot. I don't always untangle my hair every day. I'll just take it out according to what I need. And I just take my hand and I just smooth. You see, this is what it looks like. I haven't done the back yet. I'll do the back off camera. But this is the pre-poo so far. Everything that was left in was just enough to pre-poo my hair. So I got two pre-poo from that. I got one when I had my keratin hair, and I just got the second one. If you have a lot of hair, it might be one. If you have a little bit of hair, it might be more than two. But this is what my hair looked like with the pre-poo. I'm gonna let it sit for half an hour on a shower cap, and then I will proceed with my shampoo. I'll come back after my shampoo is done. I'll be back after I shampoo so you can see what the rest of the steps are in my shampoo day. Right? Right. My hair is completely pre-pooed, shampooed, rinse off conditioner, and now I'm getting ready to do the last steps so I can let it air dry. This is the hair. Now what I'm going to do is put the secret in my scalp. Instead of waiting until my scalp get itchy, I'm doing it now so I can see the difference. It's said to shake well. This is for the scalp. This is a scalp refresher spray. So I'm putting it only in the scalp. I want to prevent the itchiness before it starts. I'm putting a lot. Because my hair is wet, so I want it everywhere. And again, it's liquidy, so massage it in your scalp. Before you put it in, make sure you damp your hair. No dripping water. Damp your hair first. They create a good nozzle. This nozzle, perfect. Now that I have the right amount in there, it smells so good. This thing smells good. I love it. It's refreshing on my scalp. Ooh, this is feeling good. My scalp, the menthol. My scalp feels good. Now I take my wet brush and I'm going to distribute all of that stuff in my scalp. I'm doing small sections at a time because the hair is wet. Always be gentle with your wet hair, always, because it can break easily. Your hair is at its weakest when it is wet. That's when most breakage happens. So be nice to your hair. Be very nice to it. Now that the secret is all in my scalp, and I distribute it with my wet brush, it feels good. My scalp is happy. I used a lot. Don't use that. You don't need a lot. But I went overboard on this one. Now I'm using my leave-in conditioner so I can put in my hair. Add a little bit left of the sauce. So I'm using that, and I'll go in with my Carol's Daughter Goddess because I need a little bit more than that. Just a teeny weeny bit more. Wet hair is very prone to breakage. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Now I have everything in my hair. I am going to just distribute everything so my hair can now air dry. Be gentle with your hair. Please be gentle with your hair, especially when it's wet. This is wash day. This is wash day. I am now done. I brush my hair. Remember to always wash your tools after you finish using them, especially when you use oils or grease. Always, always soap up and rinse them off after each use. Hopefully, you can do it after each use. If not, every other use, you want to wash your tools because you don't want to keep putting the same dirty brush in the hair because then you're going to build up product on your hair and then your hair is going to get dry, it's going to break, you're going to wonder why it's dry, build up. So clean your tools. This is my hair now. This is the back. I'm just going to keep this towel there and just let it air dry. And once it's air dry, then I'm good. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not give up on yourself ever. Always, always know that you are loved. You belong. You are a gift to this universe. I love you dearly. And until I see you and you see me, just know that you are an important investment in this universe. This universe, you're an important investment. Bye. Wash day done. I'm going to try to keep it for 2 weeks. The secret is working. I recommend it.